Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we're basically transforming this room that you see in the back into my office slash walk-in closet makeup storage sort of space. Basically it's everything that I need for work, and I have been longing to get a separate space to work in because I'm tired of working from my bed or from the living room, and I already shoot in the living room. It's a lot. So today we're going to go furniture shopping and hopefully transform this room as soon as possible. Okay, also before I leave, I quickly wanted to introduce you guys to super smelly lip balms that I have been using. So this is what the dabba looks like. Super Smelly is basically the name of the brand, and I have been using these lip balms and testing them out for a really long time. This has basically become my holy grail product before I step out of the house, because I generally don't wear makeup when I'm going outside, and the only thing that I truly care about is how hydrated my lips are, and this does exactly that. So since I have long nails, I basically just scoop it out from the tub. I'm using the strawberry smoothie variant, which is just delicious. Like, it smells delicious. You see how little I took, and it is all like up on my lip. This has to be one of the lightest consistency of lip balms I've ever used. A lot of lip balms have that really ganda sa rubbery texture which kind of sits on your lips, and this definitely does not do that. It's a really thin layer that gets absorbed into your lips. I have worn this at least 10 to 15 times before, like I was shooting this video, under my mask and without it also, and it gets absorbed into your lips so quick. It's still like, it still gives you that really nice glossy glow. I wish I could just make you smell the smell of this through the camera because it's crazy. There are two more variants of this. This one is called Plum Love because plum flavor, and this one is called Chocolate Decadence. Now, who does not want chocolate on their lips? I mean, come on. I did start with strawberry because I really like the smell of strawberries and like just the flavor in general. So this one is amazing. This is toxin free. This is a beautiful brand, and this is priced at rupees 399, which I think is a stellar price for a lip balm like that, because can you see how much I've used? Like, this is a lot because I've used it like so much, but you still just need the tiniest amount, and that is enough to keep your lips hydrated and nourished for hours and hours altogether. Whenever I wear it under my mask, it is so light, it is so comfortable. It does not stick to my mask, and it does not make my mask stick to my lips. So I definitely encourage you guys to check Super Smelly out. These are toxin free. These are amazing lip balms. Also be putting down links of this product so you can go buy it for yourself. Okay, so we are basically going to transform this room. So currently this room is basically storage, but it does not really have storage. So I want to transform that corner and make it into my workstation. So I am going to get a study desk and a chair. I hopefully will be able to remove this rack today. We're going to get almirahs, and this table probably will go out and will not be home. Abhi ye sab isliye ganda hai kyunki I do not have any space to put anything. Matlab, I literally don't, but I do have two picnic baskets there and there. That Cosmo sent me, super cute. This Cosmo sent me. This I bought before I knew Cosmo was sending me a picnic basket. And yeah, my vanity table is also quite full. Actually, isme genuinely, honestly, andar jagah nahi hai. That's why everything's out, because this is like abhi jo saman aaya or the things that I like to keep bahar. So hopefully we're going to find pieces that I can put in this room, and then we will be able to end our storage problem. So yeah, we're going to oh, you can see the whole room here. So we're going to transform this room pretty soon, and this is my outfit for the day. This is my I'm gonna go buy some furniture and get my work done look. So, you know, I got my new shoes. I'm wearing my new shoes. I just bought these and I wanted to show you. It's a nice windy day. I'm wearing a half-sleeved t-shirt because मुझे बहुत confidence आ गया है. But I also have my jacket handy. So yeah, Papa, चले. Every time we have to go out, हम में से कोई ना एक चीज़ भूल जाता है. इस टाइम पे पापा चश्मा भूल गए थे. Hello. चले पापा फर्नीचर लेने. आप मेरे ब्लॉग में हो. हाय बोलो. हाय. Okay, chalo, we're going to our first store. It's called Jyoti Furniture. It's in Noida, and I decided to go to local furniture stores so that हम actually ढंग का सामान ले पाए, which won't cost us too much. So let's go. Let's see.
6 फुट जगह चाहिए फिर रखने के, बाकी इसमें स्पेस इतना है ना। बाकी
Almira that I want, and it has that hanger thing नीचे also, so it's very convenient to store all of the clothes and बंद करके।
चेस्टर से ज़्यादा सामान इसमें आएगा।
ये तो अपने कपड़ों के लिए ही चाहिए इसको ना, वो चेस्टर में तो अपना सामान।
ये भी किसी ने बनवाया,
that we want basically,
किसी के ऑर्डर का ही बना हुआ।
So there is so much to choose from. I got one more Almira because मेरे पास storage बिल्कुल नहीं है घर पे, and then I was looking for something that will store my makeup in it and something that was much more durable and like sturdier than the one that I already have. So there's so many options. First of all, I love furniture, bloody hell, feel like redoing the whole thing. And then this is the chest of drawers I want to get. So ये 3 है, मुझे ideally 2 चाहिए ये, but I'm going to put this one, see if this fits, and if it does then I'll get the same one again from the same store. बाकी options तो you guys can see, like there's so much. I'm so happy एक ही जगह पे सब कुछ मिल गया. I have to change our dining chairs also. I was looking for, I'll show you guys. So yeah, this one. This is the one that I like and want. पर इसको भी अभी हमें देखना पड़ेगा एक बार. These need to be rebalanced as well. And like सब कुछ है. So much to choose. So I'm looking at this sofa. I'm gonna show you what else I saw basically. I really like this one. We'll probably get this one, but just like this bit, just this. So right now we've purchased 4 things. My study table, which will be basically my edit station, a chair to go with it, back support के लिए because बुढ़ापा आ रहा है बहुत जल्द. Then we got one Almira, and then we got the chest of drawers. So if we put this in, we have space, we figure out how to put it in, then I'm going to get doubles of everything, doubles of the Almira and the chest of drawers. Baki we'll see. Let's go home, or to the mall actually. Maybe Papa wants shoes. Okay, Papa, successful shopping, successful रही हमारी. हमने खरीदा वो 4 चीज़ें और मेरे को मेरा folding table मिल गया that I want to use with my shooting equipment. So वो सब सामान अभी घर पे आ जाएगा 8 बजे तक. अभी 6 बज रहे हैं कुछ. So he said 8:30 तक आ जाएगा. Papa, are we ready for it?
Yes.
So I think हमारे को I'm gonna put the prices that I got it for. जो MRP है वो GST वगैरह हटा के MRP का price I will put in the video as in when I show you जो पूरा रूम का transformation होगा. I don't think it's going to be बहुत ज़्यादा aesthetically pleasing, लेकिन मेरा functionality जो मुझे चाहिए, मेरा रूम काफ़ी है aesthetic I think, तो function चाहिए मुझे और वो मेरे को मिल जाएगा. So I'm very happy about that, and hopefully अब मेरा सारा सामान बाहर नहीं रहेगा तो उससे खुशी होगी मेरे माँ बाप को. क्यों पापा? What do you think? Hi cuties. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. 1 second. Okay. So I met this cutie number 1 and this cutie number 2. Hello from the new chair. Almira is here. The chest of drawers is here. So I had to basically, the original plan was to get 2 of both. So 2 chest of drawers and 2 Almiras. But we decided to first get 1 of each to see if I have enough space. And turns out that I have plenty of space. So I am going to buy another Almira, and I'm also, I think, going to buy another chest of drawers. Although I'm still a little dicey about the chest of drawers because Almira already काफी जगह ले लेगा. So maybe I'll get it, maybe I won't. But I know that my makeup and skincare stash, it keeps on increasing. So I might just need another one. I'm not sure yet. But Almira, I'm definitely getting 1 more. I'm so happy. I finally have storage. My saman will not have to be out like this. ये ऐसे नहीं रखना पड़ेगा. So happy, and I just want to show you. First of all, this chair is so comfortable. It's like those office chairs that used to be. I don't know how you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah. So even this is like, this is adjustable. I don't know how to do it, but I know that this is adjustable. Hold on. I think. कुछ तो करते हैं मतलब. Look at Guru. Oh, I just had to press the button. Sorry. Can you see this? This is slightly higher now, so I can rest my hands like this, and then I can just push the button. It goes down. So excited. Everything right now is like wrapped, but I will remove this. I will start placing my stuff. I have 2 new picnic baskets, totally not related, but I was very excited about it. I'm so happy. I finally have a workstation. I can now work properly, like at a desk in a chair wala situation pe. This I will make it khali. I will most probably I will unassemble it, and I'll only use it when I need it for like shoots or something, or kahin bahar shoot karna ho to. And then we have Almira number 1. We'll get 1 more, and then probably this. But finally, I'm gonna redo the whole room, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Okay, so this section is my sari section. So यहाँ तक साड़ी है, ये मेरा शरारा है. Now these two hangers are full of my dupattas, and I have a lot of dupattas. I love dupattas. I have more. I'm kind of enjoying थोड़ा vlogging मेरे phone से, by the way. Like, I know I have a camera and I could use that, but this is also fun. So yeah, that is my wardrobe organized for now. I quickly wanted to show you my setup. Please excuse the mess on the ground. I was shooting something, but this is the table that I bought along with it. So if you see it here, say it's a folding table. Niche wala to nahi hai, but I didn't want it to be here the whole time. I wanted to be able to move this table. So it's a folding table and the top basically comes down like this. But this is actually the perfect table for me to shoot videos on because I can actually keep my stuff here and not on the ground like I have. So this is what the table looks like, and then it is of course several days later that I'm filming this, but I'm just sorry. Everything's a mess right now. I'm gonna take a while to like finish this vlog, but Almirah number 2 is here. I have cleaned that up, thankfully. Almirah number 1 is obviously here. You saw how I've organized it. Okay, so it's currently several days later and I have only been able to clean up thoda bahut mess and organize it, and then more stuff came and then there was more mess, but I am working on it. And since I realized that this is not a one-day job, which I thought it was, it's going to take a while to transform this room into the kind of closet office space that I truly want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this vlog as the part 1 of the series where I basically redo this room and make it into an office space for me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed furniture shopping with me. I really wanted to take you guys along the process of doing up my room this time, because the last time I showed you guys my room, it was just the room tour, but not really how I shopped for it or what I did, what was I thinking when I was doing it. So this time I want to take you guys through the whole process because I think it's just so much fun to be doing rooms, and I really wanted a space which was specifically for me to sit down and work on work, which is like edits and not shoots, because shoot I still do it in the living room. But I really wanted a really good space. Hopefully abhi आधा basically walking closet हो गया है and आधा work situation हो गया है. Okay, so this room is still more functional than it is aesthetic, and that was the whole point of this, to be honest, because I really wanted a space where I could work in, focus, and also be separated from everything else, and so that everything else was not the same. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more vlogs. I've finally become a little comfortable vlogging. अभी भी public में vlog करना मुझे थोड़ा अजीब लगता है. I think it's the same with everybody who vlogs publicly. I don't know, it feels very weird, but I'm really enjoying vlogging, and I think I'm going to do a lot more of this. Anyway, this is the part 1. You will see hopefully part 2 and 3 in this, because I'm not sure how soon I will be able to finish this. But when that is done, there will also be a vanity tour, because now I have divided my makeup station into 2 places, and I'm very excited for you guys to see that too. So let me finish this room. I'm gonna see you in the next vlog in which we're doing this room, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out the super smelly lip balms that I was talking about. The link is in the description. I just have been loving them. I'm still wearing the lip balms, so yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next vlog. Bye.